Good evening, traders. Hopefully everyone's having a good week so far. It's been a rough one, that's for sure. We're seeing a lot of intraday chop, a market moving back and forth. First you're up, then you're down, then you're up. We're also seeing a lot of daily chop. Yesterday we were down 1%, today we're up 1%. We lost the 200-day moving average. We got the 200-day moving average back. It's all on low volume. These holiday weeks are kill you as a trader. You're trying to make some breakouts and you're not getting any volume. Things are fading. It gets crazy out there. So hopefully you're doing well. If not, it's almost over. Everything should return back to normal next week. We got a lot of charts tonight, which tells me that tomorrow will probably be a bad day. Every time we get a lot of good long setups, the next day is always a very poor day. But let's look at them anyway. We got AFFX flagging here at the 20-day moving average. Could definitely see a nice takeout of the 422 level, definitely run all the way up to the 447 level. AFFY, this one's kind of messy. It's still hugging the 20-day moving average. I still like this one above the 680 just because it can easily run to the 710 area. That leaves a good risk reward setup. ASNA, flagging over the 200-day moving average. A lot of room to run. First resistance is at the 3094. After that, it's pretty much clear sailing. ASTX, looking to take out the 50-day moving average. It's starting to flatten out a little bit. It's already taken out the 20 and held. We could definitely see a pop and a takeout of that level. AUXL, flagging here. I'm not a big fan of this one just because it's sitting here in the middle of the air. I'd rather have it a little bit closer to the support levels. It's a little bit overextended for my liking, but it still does look good. It's a nice consolidation. CECO, flagging over the 20-day moving average. Definitely could take out this 796 and run all the way up to the 850s. Code, I like this one a lot. Trying to take out that 20-day moving average, been tapping it. Tried to take it out today, didn't go anywhere. Low volume today, but that's the whole market. Look for a takeout of the 819 level to really send this one. CRME, a good red to green candidate. I was actually watching this one last night. It was on the list for this 227 takeout. I'm not sure quite how I missed that one, but I'm really kicking myself for missing it. Look for a red to green, buy in at 262. We could see a run up, maybe to 277, maybe even all the way to 280. CX, flagging here at the 20-day moving average. Look for a takeout of this 560 area. It's been a strong resistance. We can see it push it all the way in the 200-day moving average. Dexo on red to green. This is the one I hate. Had it on my watch list forever. Got tired of watching this flag. And then finally it pops up 15%. Another one I'm kicking myself for. And another reason why you just can't kill stocks off your watch list for no reason. DY, flagging at the all-time highs. Look for a takeout. It could run. Like I said, it's all-time high, so there's no resistance above it. FNFG, looking to take out the 50-day moving average. It's been tapping. We're finally getting it to flatten out a little bit. Maybe you could use a couple more days to really flatten out that 50-day moving average. But I think you could go if it can get some volume behind it. IPSU has been selling off a little bit, trying to consolidate here, make a bottom. Could run into the 20-day moving average if we get a break over this 359 area. Ivan, this one's a little bit tricky because it's so thin. It's been really pumping. We got great volume today. Another red to green move. I missed this one today off the 50-day moving average break. It just went too fast and I was trying to get into some other trades, but it had a good close. Look for a little weakness in the beginning and then look for it to take out the 119. Buying at the 119, you could run all the way up to the 125. JAG, getting squeezed here between the 50 and the 20-day moving average. Look for it to pop above the 20-day moving average. Could run with the metals and the gold run. LGF, I keep trying to short this thing. I tried to short it over here. It didn't go anywhere. I'm trying to short it over here. Didn't go anywhere. So now I'm going to try to short it under this 798 level. It's got a good ways to fall before it hits any support lines. Hopefully this time it'll do it. LL, this one's always been a tricky one for me, but it's got a nice resistance here at the 1795. It doesn't really have anything overhead to stop it from running. Definitely keep that one on watch. LRN, putting in a bottom here. Look for a break above this 1837 level to push it higher. It could definitely squeeze. It's very oversold.